going on, guys? I got another fix for the Jeep here. I'm having problems with the liftgate not unlocking or locking, and the issue seems to be this liftgate solenoid here. And as you can see, I have my key fob here. I'm unlocking it and locking the car, and the solenoid, which is behind this trap door, is not moving. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to replace it. I'm also going to leave a link in the bio where you can find this part for only $13. Fix it right off of Amazon. I know some places like Advanced Auto and AutoZone are selling them for $50 to $60. So this is a cheap fix to fix the liftgate, that lock or unlock. It's just stuck right now. It's not moving, so you have to manually push it. All right, so to get this off, there's a screw hole there, and there on the side of the handle, there's a screw right there. And then there's two screws up inside there. Once you take them off, it should come off. There's clips that hold it together, but whoever owned this before me must have had it off and the clips are broke, so it's like ready to fall down. So I'm gonna take this off. All right, so we got the cover off. You can tell it's really torn up in here. Whoever owned it must have did some work here, but it's just a T10 Torx bit right there. And then we're gonna unlatch this. And it shouldn't come off, I'm gonna replace it. See, I got the new piece in, and it's locking and unlocking now, so it's fixed. All right, so now my tailgate is able to unlock and then lock on its own before, so the problem's fixed. Fixed with a $13 Amazon part, so I saved like $40 right there. Go pick one up. I'm gonna leave the link down in the bio. And subscribe and like for more videos.